Sharing PDF documents online is common, but protecting your important files is always a challenge. Whether it is a business document, report, invoice, or confidential file, adding a watermark helps protect your content and maintain ownership. Problem: many users face problems when they share PDF files without any protection. Anyone can copy, reuse, or distribute important documents without permission. Adding a watermark manually can be time-consuming and requires complicated PDF editing software. Users need a simple solution to add text or image watermarks quickly without affecting the quality of their PDF files. Solution: here comes Softaken Watermark PDF Online free, an easy-to-use online solution that helps you add professional watermarks to your PDF documents. With this tool, you can protect your files by adding custom text or image watermarks in just a few simple steps. You can personalize your watermark by adjusting its position, size, color, and transparency according to your requirements. Benefits of Softaken Watermark PDF Online free. Text on every page. Add watermark on all PDF pages automatically. Private processing. Your files stay secure with browser-based processing. Adjustable opacity. Control watermark visibility easily. Free watermarking. Add watermarks without any cost. Instant apply. Watermark your PDF in seconds. No installation. Use it directly in any browser. No sign up. Start watermarking instantly. How to use Softaken Watermark PDF Online free. Step 1. Upload your PDF. Upload your PDF file by dragging it into the upload area or selecting it from your device. Step 2. Add watermark text. Enter your watermark text and customize the font size and opacity as needed. Step 3. Download watermarked PDF. Apply the watermark and download your protected PDF file instantly. If you need a simple way to protect your PDF documents with custom watermarks, try Softaken Watermark PDF Online free today. Thanks for watching.